Hey everyone, as I told you that I'm going to solve this driver sheet, we'll start from our day 1. I have already signed in on this. You can also do this so that you can the memory will be save on the website, and you'll able to understand which question you have already solved or which you have to be solved. There are different things that we have available on, like pending. We can put it on pending, we can put it on done, which means you have solved this, or you can also write revisit, which means that you are going to revisit it. So today I'm going to do that first question, which is set matrix to 0. Okay, so let's begin. First we'll solve this on coding ninja, and then you can submit the same solution on leetcode. Sometimes you have to do some modification in the code, but most of the time the code is same. So let's begin. So we are solving this on coding ninja. Make sure that you have already signed in on that. I have already signed in. So the question is, it is an easy question, zero matrix. It is one of the important question on the perspective of interview. So problem statement we have given is that you are given a matrix of dimension n into m. Your task is to make all the elements of row I and column j equals to 0 if any element in the ith row of the okay. So what we have given is, we have given a matrix. In these matrices, if there's any 0 appears, then we have to make all the rows and all the columns to be 0. For example, let's see that this is the 0 which is present in the matrices. So now we have to change all the rows, which means we have to change this 4 to 0, and this 1 is also to 0, and we also change 3 to 0 because in the second row and third column there is 0. So the matrix changes to this. You can also read the detailed explanation, input format, output format, and the constraints. So this is a matrix problem. We can apply double for loop, so there will be no problem for any time complexity. So here I have already written the solution. If you want that I have to write the code along with while making the video, write this in the comment. I will do this from the next video if you want that. So the function that we have already given is vector. It is in this function we have matrix is given, and the n and m. N is the number of rows and m is the number of columns. So what we are doing, firstly we are creating a array of rows and an array of column, and we are putting 0 in the all the elements. So then we are then we are iterating the matrices, and we're checking where the 0 is appearing, and the place where 0 is appearing, we are marking that row to be 1 and column also to be 0. So actually what we are doing is, we are putting the 1 at the index of row where 0 is appearing, and also on the column where 0 is appearing, so that we'll come to know that where is on which index did 0 is coming. So then after that, when we have the indexes of rows and column that where is 0 is appearing, then we are again iterating. Then in that we will see where the row is equals to 1. You can also write like this, equals to 1, or column equals to 1. So where row is equals to 1, so what we are going to do, we are changing the matrices of y of j to 0, and same when column is equals to 1, we are also doing the same, and after that we are returning the matrix. So overall we are submitting the solution in order of n square. Hope you understood the complexity. If anything that you're not getting, you can write in the comment below. I will explain it by making another video. Okay, so right now I'm running this code. Let's see whether the code is correct. So you can see all the test cases are passed, which means the code is totally correct. Then we are now we are submitting the solution. So let's see what happened. Okay, so the solution is correct and it is passed correctly, and we have passed all the test cases. So thank you, and if you have any suggestion for the video, you can tell me in the comment. Okay.